Hello there everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a very important one. We're going to talk about and learn how to do Danish questions and answers. We're going to cover the so-called HV words. In just a moment you're going to figure out why they are called that. So, first of all, let's go through the learning goals for today. We want to learn all the Danish HV words, question words. We want to learn how to form different questions and answers, and then we'll do a little Jeopardy-style guess the question words later on in the lesson here, where we look at some sentences and you will have to guess which kind of question word that we want to add there. So with that being said, let's first go through what are the Danish question words actually. So here you see why they're called the HV words. They all start with HV, and as we know, what is it when an H comes before a V? Do you remember? Exactly. It's mute. So these words, let's go through them one by one. First up is Hvad. Hvad means what? Hvem. Hvem means who. Hvorfor. Hvorfor means why. Hvordan. Hvordan. How. Hvis. Hvis. Whose. Whose. Hvilken. Hvilken. Or for ET nouns, so nouns ending with T, this question actually changes to hvilket. Hvilket. And it means, of course, which. Hvor. Hvor. Where. And lastly, so if we want to ask, for example, how yellow do you want it? Or how strong do you want it? We can ask hvor plus an adjective, so hvor gul. Or hvor stærk. Stærk means strong. Okay, let's move on. So here we have a grid. Let's first look at some examples here on how we can construct sentences in the present tense. So, hvad er det? What is it? Hvad er det? Hvem er det? Who is it? Hvem er det? Who is it? Hvorfor arbejder du? Hvorfor arbejder du? Why do you work? Hvordan sejler man? Hvordan sejler man? How do you sail? Hvis glas er det? Hvis glas er det? Whose glass is it? Hvilket hus er det? Hvilket hus er det? Look here how we write it with a T, because it's it hus. Hvilket hus er det? Which house is it? Hvor bor de? Where do they live? Hvor bor de? Hvor lang er bogen? How long is the book? Okay, now let's go on how to ask questions. Let's see how we can actually answer them with some more examples here. Hvad er det? Det er et æble. It's an apple. Det er et æble. Hvem er det? Det er Henrik. Det er Henrik. That ET should not be in this sentence. It's a typo. Hvorfor arbejder du? For at tjene penge. For at tjene penge. In order to earn money. Hvordan sejler man? Med et skib. With a ship. Hvis glas er det? Det er mit glas. It's my glass. Hvilket hus er det? Det er det gule hus. It's the yellow house. Hvor bor de? De bor i Danmark. They live in Denmark. Hvor lang er bogen? Bogen er lang. The book is long. So if we think about English for a second, the way we answer questions in Danish is luckily very similar. It's the same. So we start with, what is it? Hvad det? It is an apple. Det et æble. The same word construction. Okay, now let's move on to the little Jeopardy exercise here. So remember everything that we've learned about questions and answers for now. Let's move on here. So let's go through some examples, some common questions that you're going to use in your everyday life. Hvad hedder du? What's your name? Hvor kommer du fra? Where are you from? Hvor gammel er du? How old are you? Hvad laver du? What are you doing? Or what are you up to? Hvordan har du det? How are you doing? How are you doing? Hvad betyder det? What does it mean? Or what does that mean? Hvor er toilettet? Hvor er WC'et? Where is the toilet? Hvad er klokken? What time is it? Very good. Here you can definitely do a screenshot and repeat those because they are definitely going to be worthwhile using. Now, let's go on to a little Jeopardy exercise. Here we're going to take a look at some sentences looking like this. The thing is, something is missing. Yeah, that's correct. The question word is of course missing. So, hund din. And the answer is, den brune hund min. The brown dog is mine. We want to ask, which dog is yours? Hvilken hund din? Which dog is yours? Okay. Betaler regningen. Pay the bill. Hun betaler regningen. She pays the bill. What do you think is the correct question word? Hvem is correct. Who pays the bill? She pays the bill. Hvem betaler regningen? Next up, lang tid tilbage. So we know already here that lang is part of the question. Lang means long. Så der er 2 timer tilbage. Der er 2 timer tilbage. There are 2 hours left. Try to guess which word that we want to add as a question word. Hvor is correct. Hvor lang tid tilbage. Let's move on to the next one. Er din bil nu? Means, is your car now? Min bil i garagen. My car is in the garage. So we are asking, where is your car? Which question words do we need to use? Exactly. It's hvor. Hvor din bil nu? Where is your car now? Next up. Træner du din hund? Jeg træner den med mad. I train it with food. We want to ask, how do you train your dog? What is the Danish word for how? Hvordan. Exactly. Very good. Next up. Ser du i tv'et? Jeg ser Lego Champions. I'm watching Lego Champions. What are you watching in the TV is the question that we want to ask. How do we say what in Danish? Hvad. Did you have it correct? Let me know in the comments. Next up. Lærer du for at blive klog? To get smart. Learn you is what we have here. So we want to ask, why are you learning? Why are you learning? Hvorfor lærer du? Why are you learning? In order to get smart. Just like you, by the way, watching this video. Okay, the last example here. Juveler det. Det dronningens juveler. It's the queen's jewels. So we want to ask, whose jewels is it? Whose jewels is it? Hvis juveler det. Whose jewels is it? Very good. I hope you had it all correct. And that's it for the lessons on question words. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, let us go through what we've learned. We have now gone through all the HV words. We have now learned how to form questions. And we also looked at some answers to questions. There's, of course, much more to come. But for now, I want to say to everybody, well, each one of you, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like. As you know, it really helps. And see you all next time. Vi ses. Hej hej. Farvel. Ha' det rigtig godt. På gensyn.